In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create 5 static ads for these Jordans. This using Claude code. So I have uploaded this image in my folder. As you can see, this is the folder, Claude ads tutorial, and here I have the image. And now I'm going to tell to Claude, I want 5 static ads for the Nike Jordan that is in the folder reference products. This because the folder is this one, reference products. And I want to tell to Claude that I want the final result as once. I want the final result at once. Don't ask me anything. Just give me the 5 ads and then analyze them. Now let's press enter. And now we have to wait to Claude to create these static ads. Perfect. Here we have the result. So now let's see it. Well, here is the first one. It's a really cool ad. Now this other. I prefer the other one, but this one looks really good. Now let's see this other. Actually, as you can see, Claude discovered that this was an Air Jordan. Now let's see the next one. This one looks really good. It says the characteristics of the shoe. And finally, we have this ad. So well, I don't know what you think, but personally, I like the 5 of them. In the comment section, I'm going to put a tutorial where I teach you how to set up Claude to create this type of ads. Actually, you can try it for just $1, this configuration. So I recommend you to try it. So well, after saying that, see you in the next video.